Imagine I need to assess a new customer success intern. So instead of manually creating an assessment, I simply tell Claude what I need. I ask it to create an assessment using Xobin and give me a link that I can send directly to candidates. Claude first checks what I mean by customer success and then asks one simple question. What should the assessment focus on? I give it the areas I want to evaluate: technical skills, aptitude, and soft skills. And now, Claude takes it from here. It checks Xobin for the right assessment setup, creates the questions, and validates the assessment before publishing it. What would normally take several steps is now handled through one conversation. The assessment is ready, and I get a shareable candidate link that I can send out immediately. The assessment is out. A few days later, the responses are in. Now I can ask Claude to pull up the candidate's report from Xobin. Instead of going through the results manually, Claude brings the candidate's performance together in one place. I can see the overall score, section-wise performance, and the areas where the candidate performed well or needs improvement. But the real value is what comes next. I can ask Claude to analyze the results against the requirements of the role and help me understand whether this candidate is a good fit. It looks at the performance, identifies the key strengths, highlights the gaps, and turns the assessment data into something I can actually use. And I can take it one step further. I can ask Claude to create an analytic summary of the assessment, giving me a clear view of candidate performance and how they compare against the expected benchmark. So, from creating the assessment, to inviting candidates, to viewing reports, to analyzing results, Claude and Xobin help take the entire assessment workflow forward from one conversation.